Such as medical devices, renewable energy, aerospace, through direct consultation and cooperation with relevant authorities.
Manufacturing industry in Malaysia began to rapidly grow since the 1980s when the country witnessed the transition from agricultural-based economy to the one based on industry. The major shift is the result of the realization that the country needs to reduce its dependency on imports and needs to create technology-based sector to ensure the country's economic success. Today, manufacturing industry is the fastest growing and is the most important catalyst in the country's economic growth. Manufacturing industry includes processing, that involves the processing of agricultural products, mining, logging and fishing. Heavy industry, that involves the production of machinery and modern devices which require high degree of skills. Light industry, that involves the production of goods for local needs and consumer good export, such as electrical appliances, tires, shoes, apparel, and food and beverage. And rural industry, that carried out on a small scale and is the first manufacturing industry in Malaysia. Electrical and electronic (E&E) industry is the leading sector in Malaysia's manufacturing sector, contributing significantly to the country's exports at 36.6% and employment at 25.3% in 2016. The government has identified the machinery and equipment (M&E) industry to be one of the key areas for growth and development. The growth will focus on the manufacture of high value added and high technology M&E.
We have a capacity of 1.5 million cans per day. In other words, we can do about 260,000 metric tons of milk products, and that will make us one of the biggest condensary in the region.
The textiles and textile products industry in Malaysia comprises of 4 subsectors, namely primary textiles, which cover activities such as polymerization, spinning, weaving, knitting, and wet processing, made-up garments, made-up textiles, and textile accessories. The petroleum and petrochemical industry covers natural gas, petroleum products, and petrochemicals. The industry is an important sector in Malaysia, with approved investments totaling 207.6 billion ringgit since 1980 to 2016.
In general, plastic industry is very big. Actually, if you are looking at plastic packaging, this market I think is about 5 billion pieces per month. Plastic industry in packaging, we feel that it is a growing market, and the market is growing about 10 to 20% a year. All right, so I'm very sure that there's a demand here.
The key contributor to Malaysian economy is still manufacturing. Without manufacturing, there will be no logistics and also other manufacturing related services.